Hello everyone, welcome to LingoVerse Kids. Today we're going to learn how to say hello. Say hello. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's do warm-up by singing a song. Say sing a song. Sing a song. Great job. Okay, let's get started. Let's dance.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Okay, wonderful. Now, let's start our class. First of all, welcome to my class. I'm your English teacher, Teacher Beck. Teacher Beck. Teacher Beck. All right, wonderful. Now, first of all, I want to tell you the class rules, okay? The class rules. So the first rule is, please listen carefully. Listen carefully, okay? Listen to me carefully. The second rule is, please sit well. Please sit well. Great job. Number 3 is, don't eat in class. Don't eat in class. Well done. Let's continue. Then, don't talk in class. Don't talk in class. Well done. Great job. Please raise your hands if you have any questions. Please raise your hands if you have any questions. All right. So look at this picture. What can you see here? Wow. So what is this? Do you know what is it? Do you know what is this one? All right. No, you don't. Do you know what is this vehicle? No, you don't. Right. So let's learn their names. What is this? This is a boat. A boat. Everyone say a boat. A boat. Great job. Okay, let's continue. Now, everyone pay attention. What is that? That is a bird. Great job. That is a bird. Wonderful. So, is this a car? Is it a car? No. That's a bus. A bus. A bus. A bus. Great job. Let's continue. Now, is this a cat? Everyone look at here. Is this a cat? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Wonderful. Now, let's look at the cat. A cat. A cat. A cat. Wonderful. Okay. Hello, I'm Cameron, says the cat. Say it together. Hello, I'm Cameron. Hello, I'm Cameron. Hello, I'm Cameron. Great job. Wonderful. Let's continue. Let's learn their names. Wow, look at the boy. Hello, I'm Jin. Hello, I'm Jim. Right, so the boy's name is Jim. Great job. Let's continue. Let's learn their names together. Wow, look at the girl. Her name is Jenny. Her name is Jenny. Hello, I'm Jenny, she says. Hello, I'm Jenny. Hello, I'm Jenny. Great job. Wonderful. Let's continue. Okay, next one is, wow, this man. His name is Mr. Friendly. Mr. Friendly. Okay, he says, hello, I'm Mr. Friendly. Great job. Let's continue. Now, let's look at this woman here. Her name is Mrs. Friendly. Mrs. Friendly. And she says, hello, I'm Mrs. Friendly. Okay, she says, hello, I'm Mrs. Friendly. Very good. Let's continue. Now, let's listen
Pupils
again
book.
and point.
Hello. Page 4. 1. Listen. Listen again and point.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Mum. Hello, Jim. Hello, Dad.
Hello, Jenny.
Meow.
Hello. I'm Cameron.
Wonderful! Did you hear the cat? Yes! Now let's listen and circle. Okay, let's listen and circle.
Pupils book. Hello. Page 5. 1. Listen and point.
Meow.
Alright, we have done it. Now let's say their names. Let's say their names. The first one is a bus. A bus. A bus. Great job. Number 2 is a bird. A bird. Wonderful. Number 3 is a boat. A boat. A boat. Great job. Number 4 is a book. A book. Well done. Number 5 is a cat. A cat. Great job. Now let's continue, everyone. Next page is practice. Let's practice together. Now let's look at the mirror. Hello, I'm... So what was his name? Do you remember? His name was Jim. Well done. His name is Jim. So he says, hello, I'm Jim. Hello, I'm Jim. Hello, I'm Jim. Good job. All right, let's continue. Now, let's see who appears in the mirror. Wow, what was her name? Do you remember? Her name is Jenny. Her name is Jenny. Okay, let's say, hello, I'm Jenny. Hello, I'm Jenny. Hello, I'm Jenny. Great job. Wonderful. Let's continue. Now let's see whom we can see on the mirror. Wow, he is Mr. Friendly. Good job, Mr. Friendly. Hello, I'm Mr. Friendly. Hello, I'm Mr. Friendly. Okay, great. Let's continue. Let's see who is there. She is Mrs. Friendly. Mrs. Friendly. She says, hello, I'm Mrs. Friendly. Hello, I'm Mrs. Friendly. Hello, I'm Mrs. Friendly. Good job. Okay, let's continue. Now, pay attention on the screen. Wow, who is there? This is Teacher Beck, right? So I say, hello, I'm Teacher Beck. Hello, I'm Teacher Beck. Okay, now you say your name. Say, hello, I'm... Good job, one more time. Hello, I'm... Good. Now you say the full sentence. Hello, I'm... Let's go. Great job. One more time. Well done. Alright, what we have done today is, today we have seen a friendly family. Okay, now you have a homework. You need to finish the exercise in the activity book. And you need to practice sentence, hello, I'm at home. If you like the content, please subscribe to our channel and leave a like under our video. Thank you and see you in the next class. Bye bye.